friends, Oyinkan here, and today's video is all about how I get my slick back bun with my textured hair, girl, without using any gel or most of the things that most people use when they want to get a little slick back hair when they naturally have an afro, okay? So before we get started, make sure you subscribe and turn notifications as well. Let's get right into it. Do you want to do a little OOTD? I don't know where this dress is from, but you can probably find something like this at Zara or something. I'll put it in the description box below if I can remember where I got it from. Earrings, you know I made my earrings myself. Love a little good tassel earring, girl. Love a tassel earring. Gold jewelry, of course. So this is gonna be a really quick video to slick my hair back into a ponytail. And girl, if you're like me, I know this is normal for us black girls, but I have multiple textures of hair. Like, it can get real kinky on the sides, it can get curly in the middle. I have multiple textures. My hair ranges from the 3s to the 4s all over. So this has been working really well for me, and it's the healthiest thing that I've done to my hair while putting it into a ponytail. And what I utilize is conditioner. I normally put a deep conditioner into my hair. I know they say wash it out, but I don't wash it out immediately. What I do is I put a conditioner or a deep conditioner, normally deep conditioner, but I ran out of my usual Maui Moisture shea butter deep conditioner, whatever that I normally get. What I use this time is the Maui Moisture Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner. In my opinion, this doesn't work as good as my Maui Moisture deep conditioner that's in a purple container, but this is what I had at home. And you know, when you're in a rush, you just gotta do something real quick. Use this. That's what I used this. So I utilized this. I drenched my hair with it. I sealed it with honey. Yes, honey. You know, when honey gets dry, it like after it like dries down, it gets a little hard, a little stiff. That's what I needed for my hair. My hair doesn't really get stiff with it, but it's not as soft with it neither. So it's like that perfect balance to where it's not hard as a rock, but it's not too soft to where it's going to start reverting or coming apart from the ponytail. Like, we need you to stay together, okay? This is all I do to get my perfect ponytail, my perfect bun, my perfect put my hair all in one. Whatever I'm trying to do with my hair, I don't know, but this is what I do. All I do is grab a conditioner or deep conditioner, drench my hair in it, okay? And I grab a honey and I coat my hair with honey from literally from root to end. I'm doing both steps from root to end. And when I do that, put my hair together, and then I put a scarf on. Oh my gosh, girl, I put a scarf on. You have to do the scarf because it needs to lay down for hours in order for it to like just mold together and dry down. Because, you know, you just put a liquid agent, you know, conditioner, it's the base of it is normally like water. For Maui Moisture, a lot of their main ingredient is aloe vera juice, so which is still a liquid, right? So we want the liquid to dry. You know, honey is honey, but we still need it all to dry and clump together. So I put a scarf on and I put a ponytail holder around my bun on top of the scarf to make sure that all of this is just slicking down, okay? It's just having the slick look is important to me if that's what I'm achieving. Like, if I'm going for a ponytail or a bun, it needs to be slicked down, period. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know how you normally do your buns and ponytails, and I do want you to give this a try and see how your hair feels about it. I think this is a safe way. I mean, I'm not a hair expert, guys. I'm just a girl with natural hair who finds different ways to do her hair. So you don't have to take my advice at all. I'm just telling you what I do and how this works for me. It works, girl, and I think it's healthier than gel. Like, gel has all that stuff in it, like honey and conditioner. Like, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? My hair likes honey. Honey isn't a humectant. Humectant attracts moisture from the air, which is known to be healthy for the hair strands, but everybody's hair is different. So I don't know if this will work for you, but this works for me, and this has been keeping my hair slicked down, and I have hair of various curl patterns, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know down below if you're gonna try this out. I love you so much. I don't have that many videos about hair. I have some beauty videos, fashion videos, so check out my other videos down below, girl, in the description box and somewhere on the screen as well. Alrighty, girl, bye.